This message was transmitted by the request of the Seattle, Washington City Police. There was a strange portal in the sky. A hot air balloon came out of the portal. We have no idea where this has come from or what it is, but there are two people in the hot air balloon. One is a female with pink hair, the other is a male with blue hair. They are appearing to own a cat, unless it is stolen, of course. They also have a blue creature alongside them. If anyone knows what this is, post it to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, or Instagram. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. This message was transmitted at the request of the civil authorities of Washington, D.C. Remember the alert from earlier today? Well, we have found out the identity of these creatures. Shout out to Josiah and the East End Country Balls guy for this information. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel. Anyways, the pink-haired woman is named Jessie, and the blue-haired man is named James. Their cat is named Meow, and it is able to talk somehow. The blue creature is named Wobbuffet. These four are a part of a clan named Team Rocket from the Pokemon series. This clan is a group of thieves who steal animal-like creatures named Pokemon. This clan might steal pets, as they might think they are Pokemon. Because of this, it is highly encouraged that you keep your pets inside for the day. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Seattle, Washington Police Department. Team Rocket has now realized that there are no Pokemon in this world, so now they are abducting children instead. They have abducted 2 children so far. The first one is a 3-year-old white girl with brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a pink and light blue JoJo Siwa shirt, purple leggings, and pink flip-flops. The second child they have abducted is a 5-year-old white girl with light blue eyes, black hair, and was last seen wearing a yellow polo with blue jeans and yellow tennis shoes. There are also 2 things you guys can do right now. First, you can help us find the children. However, you must send your child to a daycare if you and your child or children are the only ones at the house. All daycare centers will be open. Second thing, you can stay in your house and protect your children if any. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message was transmitted by the request of the Washington, D.C. State Police. This is not a test. Team Rocket's Wobbuffet is now attacking everyone in its path. If you get attacked by Wobbuffet, you will be injured badly. If you see Team Rocket, don't fight back the Wobbuffet, as it has a counter-attack that does all the damage you did to him back to you. Instead, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this very dangerous situation.
The United States Geological Survey and the National Weather Service have issued an earthquake warning for the following counties, all of Washington, D.C. This was caused by Team Rocket's Pokemon named Ekans, which used its dig attack and it dug down so deep that it will cause slight shaking with the tectonic plates. It is predicted that this earthquake will be about a 6.0 on the Richter scale. Take cover now. Get under a table or another piece of sturdy furniture, and cover your head to prevent it from being hit from falling objects. And also, remember to stay tuned for further information on the situation with Team Rocket.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. Please do not use Interstate 52 until further notice. It has suffered significant damage from the earthquake earlier. You could get injured if you use this interstate. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Seattle, Washington City Police. Another one of Team Rocket's Pokemon named Comfing is now releasing poisonous gas. This gas has a chance of killing you by poison. Everyone in the Seattle, Washington area, cover up all windows in your house and stay indoors. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Message was transmitted at the request of the civil authorities of Washington, D.C. This is not a test. Team Rocket is using bombs to destroy houses. The bombs will kill you if you are in the explosion. Everyone in Washington, D.C., a mandatory evacuation order is now in effect. Pack food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is a national emergency message. The national emergency is now ongoing. A message from the United States government will be played over the emergency alert system. Normal broadcasting has been discontinued. Stand by for this message.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. This is a national emergency message. All normal broadcasting has been discontinued to focus on this national alert. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. Tom was killed by one of Team Rocket's bombs yesterday. Anyways, Team Rocket is launching a meteor toward the Earth. There is nothing we can do to stop the situation from happening, and there is also no way of surviving this event. Everyone in the United States, gather with friends and... Wait, what? Oh my god. I have to broadcast this. Hold on, let me turn off all of the creepy effects.
There we go. Anyways, there is a 10-year boy from the same dimension that Team Rocket comes from. His name is Ash Ketchum. He also possesses Pokemon, however, these ones are good guys. So now we have a chance of finally stopping Team Rocket. However, just in case the attacks from Ash are deadly, shelter in place immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this maybe world-ending situation.
The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear.